There are a variety of resources that can be used on test day. This video will show how to use spell check. During testing, this resource can be used to check and correct your spelling during the full right portion of the performance task. This is what spell check will look like once you have followed these next steps. To use spell check when you would like to check or correct your spelling, select the ABC button with the check mark at the top of the writing pane using your mouse or trackpad. Once selected, the words that have been misspelled will change color and be underlined. Selecting the misspelled words will give you either the correctly spelled word or a variety of choices so that you can correct the spelling of the word or correct the word completely. Once you have made the corrections, the words will turn back to the original color text and you can continue with your test. If you select the spell check button and nothing happens, you have correctly spelled all of the words in your writing. Note that different devices may require different actions in order to make these selections. Thanks for watching!